Ijuko tiriyo torabakane, ijuko tiriyo torabange, gakitigo monena babake, twanjire tonyora magendero butambi, abali mubaito bonsi banchiranire, nonyana bayibuli bonsi banchiranire, batebire torumisi togende kanani.
Bunge Bonchari Omusike Charles Onchoke, Wakili Wakili Ombeta kati ya abarayibande au kurwa ase bunge yo. Riskoli alero ni kubomirana ime yeskuru ya Bonyaoro Sec School asoko chengera okuya eskuru ya kora asu mwaka wa 2023.
Celebrating your achievement today, you have done us proud that the investment we have done in you is not in vain. Gendera igo baka Nyasaye abakonye. We are here to support you as your guardians, as your leaders, as your parents, as the community. Your role is just to read and study and bring good results. We want to students.
Don't want all these other places. You got in there? Dogo saba ero sibu. Dogo saba chiskuru chirigeribu. Mheshimiwa, and this one we are pleading. You are like our father right now. Don't want that ability that you have because no ere that ability. We will be requesting you. Na into what to rigerelia? What get chiskuru chire gocha wachi konya na chirocho so that take rogocha gaiga instead of us booing we clap because nae the CEO of Bonchari currently asing enchia bana walibai karanstalia inche na ika skuru ya bagumbu ali na ligere na nyora 20 years ago kerana lewa somo mu secondary school na kabugiri ya macho school abana wali mu karanstali. Your dreams are varied. You can be anything that you want in the near future. When you began this journey yokorigi ebintu muna bawono bojumbo bwa Bonchari jena as the chikura 2013 ndo mwana musinini and this is 2024 batu tidaira
eskuru eye aya company do Mheshimiwa Wakili Ombeta gochakorore eskuru eyega. That time eskuru igo yabwata abana abake. And when we talked to these young kids, they promised that they were going to do well. And when I'm looking at the results, to be honest, abana baba korire buya. Korwe means score ya 2.2 to a mini score of 4 point something. That is a great improvement. Naende igo ekero tokorora igo, it means this year we expect them to also improve by 2 or by 3. So togocha iga naende the same event, I'm sure we will be celebrating abana baito the form 4s who are here. Monyore mean score ya either 6 or 7. Erebuyago sere baba iboli.
Pare abiga gwikirana ase eskuru yo niko bairira na gotebuna niko konyora eskuru ya chakire gusekwa asikeri bagoteba niko konyora abaroki wabanga nyire kurwa ase eskuru yo asingencho yo gutakora okuya gwe eskuru yo nonye nabo igo niko bono egentukirite abarayi bense meyo wesokia na anene mono kwenekya eskuru tiro gusekwa na ndengu kiniere amasomo gochia ase abaroki wa
Mbiya to achitemo tukateba this school must develop. This school must improve. Has it improved or not? They improved this school. Yeah. You got the effort to abekire, we must continue with it. Na kinate barero tiambo oli mojumbe. This school had a problem before. Ekire to achamo tukateba this school must improve. It has improved. For 58 students to 217. That is more than 300% increase.
Yentonkerie kebe wansobo gambi uri skuchi ya ongo kuchire. Wansobo gambi kiki mangati skuchi ya nisatongo kuchire. Ya montinga nyangena na Bonyaoro. Yotaima yangena na Bonyaoro nango kuchire ngo se kuchire There's nothing as sad as that for a leader. This is the curse. Eroiga, kote nyasaye mbiamono. Mbiamono. Oromoyere. Yangena moyere. Kote nyasaye mbiamono.
Gati ya bara ibaribekira na senseme yo niko bana na abokonyi bwabo gocha aseskuru yo asomo bunge bwe abonchari omusike Charles Onchoke na epasari ya ye chimia isato wocha ase abaroki wabeskuru yo Wakili Ombeta na ningo na emia yemo wocha ase abaroki wabeskuru yo asoko chikutumika konyora chindagira chabo erios bagenderete konyora masomo abo. Nona boigo niko boya chira chiko konye skuru yo gochikogenderera ase komenta amasomo.
Check here 366,000. Abana baito konya baiboli anda satore meta ibo. Na ende monyore na abana bane tika ko last year abana anga 50. Chakineche mambiende ya 1,400.
Promising gaiga a similar toilet which akra next week is kure. Asante. Ndiria gatokonya na leo tokonyire ndagera ya 1,100 na kibote. Na mwere check ingo batebiare nirenga. This one goes to endagera ya bana eskurwe.
Hingo ripoteria TV ya kisi hot kurwa eskuru ya Bonyaoro Sec School ime ya Bonchari constituency county ya kisi riteria Nyapto Dennis Kunto.